Hey, good day everybody. I've got this Aanke night chroma camera, this Aanke Pro. These guys sent this to me to do an unboxing and review on. Let's check it out. Right, here's everything that comes in the box. Got the camera, 24-hour video surveillance sticker, user's manual, drill template. These connections go on the end of here. And a wrench, and screws for installing. So as far as this setup goes, you need an Ethernet cable. So I bought a long Ethernet cable to go out to where I want to plug the camera into. So this one needs an Ethernet cable and power as well. Ethernet cable is going to go in there, and the 12-volt power connector is going to go in here. The camera does not come with one of these, and this model doesn't come with the Ethernet cable either. I bought this separate. Okay, so now the back of this, it sits flush like that, so you have to drill a hole into whatever you're going to attach it to, or if you're drilling it into the overhead, that's how it's got to be. So that's the, just push that through the hole, run the screw. One thing I had to do is use this extension to get up past the camera for those. So you can see there, if you use the short one, it's hard to get around that piece. So the extension was necessary for this. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and plug the Ethernet cord into here and plug that into the router and then power this thing up as well. Go ahead and take the cover off this. So we're making this connection waterproof, and these accessories go on just like this. There's the end of the Ethernet cable that's going to plug into the camera. All right, then the last piece is going to be that gasket, and that's going to slide down over this and fit right down into this end. There's the setup right there. That snaps in there, and then everything else will just go onto here, and this will go onto that and turn it and tighten it up, and all this will tighten together. Okay, there's the cable, and then there's the power. I had to buy this thing as well. This doesn't come with the camera, but that's the adapter, the plug-in. Now on the back of this is where the power on, power off settings are to restore the factory settings, and it comes with a little Allen wrench. I'm gonna pop this back off because this is also where the SD card's gonna go, which doesn't come with the camera, but you could buy a little mini SD card and slap it in there. There we go, and then to reset it, you can see that's where the micro SD card goes. Reset it, we'll just go ahead and push that in and hold it for 10 seconds, and that'll restore the settings. Okay, now on my phone, I'm gonna go ahead and download the app, the Aanke Vision app.